Hey, welcome to a day in the life of the worst photographer who forgets everything. We're gonna have some fun today. We've got a couple special things lined up for today's video. I didn't want to do a vlog, but I decided that I was going to because we've got a pretty cool shoot coming up later in the day today. I actually have to split off in about half an hour to go get to that. But before then, we are over at Advanced Industries and we are shooting just a couple things. I need to get some more clips for a video of a PPF color transformation on a Range Rover that I began the other day, and I am also beginning a video for a blue Porsche Targa. So we've got kind of a fun day today. I'm going to go in there, I'm going to shoot some clips. You guys might see the clips. Unfortunately for me, I forgot my gimbal and my house is 35 minutes away. So we are hand holding the FX3 to get all of our shots today. And I think that's it. I'm doing something that I haven't done for quite some time, but we are doing a Q&A. Hello, camera, can we focus? So we're letting some questions flood in. Adam and I are going to double team with some answers, and you guys are gonna get a little bit of an insight as to what it's like being the coolest, best photographers in Colorado.
I'm wrapping a Bugatti.
Very cool. Nice Bugatti.
Yep.
Fucking crazy. Top spec.
Yep, top spec.
This is the new guy. Just harass everybody and ask them what they're doing. That's all I need. So that's what we're here for. You cannot say.
He was supposed to be doing conspiracy theory Fridays, but he gave up on that after one Friday. Yeah, dude. He gave up on that.
Oh, somebody got excited.
His rule was we're not allowed to talk about the G.
All right, Wyatt, let's hear. This is going to be Wyatt's little advice corner. So
now that it's staged, I don't have any good advice. But when it was on the concept of the zebras, it ain't always black and white.
that's good enough. Thanks, Wyatt. Is today a stay the fuck out of my way type of day, or is it a pretty much? All right, I'll leave you to it then. This is Johnny's project right here. This car has been a major pain in the ass. Everybody go donate to Johnny. GoFundMe link in the description below. This thing's pretty sick. Alex is doing a full video on this build here, so that's going to be kind of cool. This color is actually sick. So the front bumper is actually off getting repainted right now, but this is going to be a very cool car when it's finally done eventually. 2 Urises in 2 weeks, I guess. That's a little rough. Little rough on poor Johnny boy over there. And this is what we are shooting today. This color is actually pretty fucking awesome. Camera doesn't really do justice, but it's almost like sea blue. And we're going to get a little Rider. Is it Riker or Rider?
Rider.
We're gonna get a little bit of Rider update here.
We're cruising on this Targa. My
Yeah.
favorite back window to tint.
You tinted this?
I'm going to.
Oh, hell no.
It's a pain.
I definitely want to be here when you do try to tint that, because that'll be a hilarious segment.
Well, he's not going to try to tint it. He is going to tint it.
He is gonna tint
It
it.
sucks. I've done one.
I mean, you know what? How about this? You hold the camera and I'll do it.
All right, that's a
Deal? Okay, perfect. Oh, fuck yeah. I didn't know that you were a fellow video guy. Hell
I don't
yeah.
know what I'm doing, but it's cool.
It is cool.
Alex helped me set it up, so it's like it's
It is.
balanced now.
Fuck yeah.
Because I had it balanced horizontally.
What do you use that for? Just like,
YouTube and
shit, I didn't know that you did that.
not much, but Alex got me all balanced.
Hell yes. That is the cutest little...
It is cute, huh?
It is the cutest little gimbal setup I think I've ever seen. Oh my god, that was the perfect... That was literally all that I needed from you. Oh my god.
Boom.
Beautiful. I just came.
Watch this.
Oh, I'm watching. Oh my god.
Yeah, you see that?
Is that the technique?
Yes. You need to cut that, though. Too many moms watch our vlogs.
Let's get a quick flex.
Get 'em all hot and bothered.
Can we get a flex cam, Jordan?
Yeah, here.
Let's see. Oh shit, hold on. I didn't realize it was the fingers. I'm gonna have to
Ladies like it.
I'm gonna have to blur that shit out. Hurry up, you retard, get in here.
You want the mic?
No. It's a fucking Jeep. We're shooting a Jeep, guys. Okay, so here we are. This is what we're shooting here. It's windy as hell, so I'm gonna have to stop the fucking video and just shoot some clips. We're gonna shoot some photos. Call it good. These are the MP Liner boys, and this is what we're shooting, this 6x6 Jeep here. So today I actually found a use for the grams 28 bags and the these things, the straps, so I can actually double fist the camera. I just got to get this one hooked up on the FX3. But check this out, guys. Grams 28 bag in practical use. All right, guys, we just wrapped up the shoot. We're gonna go eat some food. There's Adam. He's a little cold.
My fingies is chilly.
It got a little cold. We shot the 6x6. We ended up shooting another car as well. Rivian in a factory spot. I'll throw some pictures up on the screen now. I didn't do any BTS because it's cold. It went from like 65 to 50 and windy, so it is absolutely freezing. We got kicked out of the roller spot, which was super awesome. Shout out to that lady for kicking us out. Blocking traffic is apparently what we were doing, and there were 0 cars on the road. So anyways, that's gonna be the video. I don't know, I posted a little Q&A on the story. I don't know if we're gonna do the Q&A in the video because I don't know, we're gonna go grab something to eat. Q&A segment in the video, and yeah, if I don't, until next time. If I do, then that's gonna be coming up next.